Hola, me llamo Erika Celedonio Peñaflor, and I'll be your teacher today. And the topic for today's lesson is nouns and articles in Spanish. Nouns and articles in Spanish have a very interesting relationship that it's not the same in English. And when I'm talking about nouns, I'm talking about anything like the dog, the backpack, the lotion, the TV, the guy, the kid. That's what I'm talking about. That's a noun. And an article, it's the word the in English. And as I mentioned in Spanish, is a little bit different. So this is just a brief introduction of nouns and articles in Spanish, but we will also focus on the definite articles, which are it basically means the in English, and una, unos, which is a, and some in English. So first thing, all nouns, people, places, and things in Spanish are given a gender, whether it's masculine or feminine. It doesn't mean that these things are feminine or masculine. It's just the way we organize the language. And masculine nouns usually end in a no, and feminine nouns usually end in an a. This is usually, not all the time. So the word, for example, baño, that you may know already, it's a masculine noun. And the word cerveza, for example, cerveza is a feminine noun in Spanish, just as an example. And that's just how we organize the language. And so we have the definite articles, as I mentioned, that's the in English. And if I was talking about, again, going to the word baño, I had el baño, one bathroom. If I had many baños or many bathrooms, I would say los baños. So again, we have a the for singular and the los for plural. So again, la cerveza, one beer. Las cervezas, the beers. So here, la is for my singular, la is for my plural. El baño, los baños, la cerveza, las cervezas. And it all means the. And then, so the gender and number have to match. So we have el for singular, again, masculine, los for plural, masculine, and la for singular, and las for plural. As I mentioned, el baño, los baños, la cerveza, las cervezas. And this all has to match up, which I know you don't have that in English, so it might be a little tricky at the beginning. Um, and also, I was gonna show you the indefinite articles. In English, it literally means a, and some. So if I wanted to say a bathroom, un baño, unos baños, some bathrooms, una cerveza, por favor, a beer, please, unas cervezas, por favor, some beers, please. So you see how this is also a little different in Spanish. So it also has to go back to the gender that the word belongs to. So before you decide which one to use, we gotta know what gender it is. And as I mentioned before, the words that are usually masculine and in a no, and the words that usually end in an a are feminine. Okay, so that's our big focus today. Let me go back a little bit. So indefinite articles means the, and it's el, los, las, la, las. And indefinite articles are un, unos, una, unas. And this means a, and some in English. I hope you enjoyed this brief introduction to nouns and articles in Spanish, and you'll keep working throughout this topic in your Nearpod and on the other exercises for this lesson. Muchas gracias. Thank you for watching. See you in class.